morning and welcome to our Tembri Shilingapalli channel on YouTube. And today we are going to learn a very interesting chapter in mathematics, that is coordinate geometry, which is a very simple chapter and easiest. So let's start our chapter. So here are some of the formulas that you need to remember. If you remember this formula, then you can answer any type of question if you get from this chapter, coordinate geometry. This is a very simple and easiest chapter in mathematics in SSC 10th class. So see, you just need to remember these formulas. The first one is distance formula, that is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. In the same way, we have section formula, that is m1 into x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1 into y2 plus m2 into y1 by m1 plus m2. This is section formula where we have to substitute in the same way. And this is centroid formula where x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 by y3 by 3. This is centroid formula. Then we have a midpoint formula, that is x1 plus x2 by 2 y1 plus y2 by 2. Then we have area of a triangle 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Then we have Heron's formula where a is equals to under root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s is equals to a plus b plus c by 2, where a, b, c are the sides of a triangle. Then we have a slope formula, there is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, where x1 is not is equals to x2. So these are the formulas you need to remember, and if you remember this formula, you can easily get good marks when the questions come from this coordinate geometry chapter. So as you see, the question is, what is the distance between a 4 comma 3 and b is 8 comma 6. So now we have to use this distance formula and find what is the answer, the distance between a and b. So let's solve it. So first we will write the formula, the distance formula. So the distance formula is under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So now we have to substitute these values. What is the value? A means 4 comma 3 8 comma 6. This is a and this is b. So here this 4 is x1, 3 is y1, 8 is x2 and 6 is y2. So now we are going to shift under root of same. What is x2? X2 is 8. So we are going to write 8 minus, then x1 is 4 whole square plus y2 is 6 minus y1 is 3 whole square. So again we are going to solve this. Under root of 8 minus 4 is 4 whole square plus 6 minus 3 is 3 whole square. So now 4 square plus 3 square, that is under root 4 plus 4 square is 16 plus 3 square is 9. So that is root 25. When we add 16 plus 9 is 25, root 25. Root 25 is 5. So now we got the answer, root 25 is 5. So in the same way, all these formulas which I have showed you, we should use them. Distance formula, this section formula, just we have to substitute these values, that's all. In this section formula we are going to having ratios 3:4 like that. So when we tell 3:4, in 3 the first one is m1, then we'll get m2 is 1, like that we are going to have. Then this centroid formula will be there. Then we have midpoint formula. So just there we have to just substitute their values like we have done in the first one, distance formula, that's all. All of them are easy. Thank you for watching this video.